Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to retype documents to PDF. Whether you have a physical paper document or an image file, transforming it into an editable and then a portable document format is a common need. We'll go over the essential steps and tools to help you achieve this efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to convert your retyped content into a professional-looking PDF, making your documents easily shareable and accessible. This process is simpler than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through each stage. When retyping a document, you have two primary methods. The first is manual retyping, where you simply type the content yourself. This is ideal for shorter documents or when extensive edits are required. The second, more efficient option, especially for longer or complex documents, involves using optical character recognition, or OCR, software. OCR can scan your document and convert the text into an editable format, significantly reducing your effort and time. We'll discuss both approaches, helping you choose the best one for your specific document and needs. Once you've chosen your retyping method, the next step is to get your content into an editable format. If typing manually, open a word processor and begin. For OCR, scan your document and let the software convert the text. After your document is retyped and edited to perfection, it's time to convert it to PDF. Most word processors offer a Save As or Print to PDF option. Many free online tools can also convert your document with just a few clicks, ensuring your final PDF looks professional and is easily shareable. To ensure the best results, always proofread your retyped document carefully, especially if using OCR, as it can sometimes introduce small errors. For manual retyping, consider using a split-screen view to compare your original and new document side by side, which can significantly improve accuracy and speed. When converting to PDF, check the output settings to ensure the quality and file size are appropriate for your needs. A well-formatted and accurate PDF reflects professionalism. With these simple tips, you'll be creating perfect PDFs from your retyped documents efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.